Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you step by step for a business strategy to explode in 2019. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So in this video, I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know to actually get your business from zero to whatever amount of money you want to make. Like, this is going to be the ultimate step by step. Like, literally, if I make this video clear enough, and I hope I do, let me know in the comments, then like you will not need to watch any other videos, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing. But even if you're doing something else, then chances are like there's nothing else that you need to watch. So with that being said, 99% of you are going to go through this video and think that's awesome advice, that is so good, and I'm just going to watch the next video, and then they go to the next video, and then they go to the next video, and then they go to the next one. And that's 99% of the people. So I really want to like tell you that you absolutely need to like really focus on actually getting things done, because knowledge is like so important, but if you don't take any action, then it's not important at all. You really need to implement everything that you need. This is what changed, like I used to be like this. I used to watch all these videos and think that was awesome advice, and I will surely start one day, and then that one day just kept on going further and further and further, and it did not take me anywhere. And that's so many people online. So if you're actually going to take action, if you're one of the 1% of the people that are going to take action, and I know there's not many of you, but if you are one of these people, like, comment down below and say action, because I want to know that there are some people, and if I just get one person to actually take action in today's video, then I'll be so happy about that. So really make sure that you take action. So with that being said, I'm not going to ramble on any longer. I'm going to take you exactly to what you need to do. So the very first thing that you need to do is you're going to choose a platform. Now this platform can be YouTube. This is what I chose. This platform could be Instagram. This could be Facebook, this could be a blog, this could be a ton of other things, but you absolutely need to choose a platform. If you don't choose a platform, you're not going to get anywhere. So first of all, you need to choose a platform. The reason I chose YouTube is, even though it was very hard at the beginning to actually film a video and show my face, like, believe me, I filmed a video like 4 times without saying a single word, because I was like, it was so hard for me to actually film myself. But the reason I chose this is because it connects so much more to your audience than any other platform. If you take Instagram, for example, people are going to be less inclined because they just swipe through like that, and they just like won't even stop on your photo or something. But if you make a video, people are actually going to watch your video, and that's the reason I chose YouTube, and that's the reason that I think that YouTube is the best one. If you don't want to choose YouTube, you can choose any other platform that I talked about, and this can absolutely work. So the second step that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to choose a niche. Now, a niche is going to be extremely important, because this can like make you so much money, and this can make you lose so much time as well. So really you have to choose a niche. And how you're going to choose the niche is, you're going to have to teach something, no matter what. If you like drawing, if you like cooking, if you like, you know, repairing cars, if you like, no matter what it is, there are so many things. If you like tech and you can review products, if you like There's so many things that you need to, like, that you can teach, that there should be something that you're interested in. And that's the other point. You have to get something that you really like doing, because if you don't, it will be very, very hard to actually keep going, because this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is something that you're actually going to take a long time with you. So if you don't like, if you're trying to make some money fast, then this is not the channel for you, and there's not another channel for you. It's not for that. But if you really are ready to put in the work, choose something that you like, because that will help, and that you can teach, and that other people are doing, that you have competition. If you do not have competition, and that's something that a lot of people don't understand, if you don't have competition, that means there is no market for it, unless it's something completely brand new. But for the business model that we're going to talk about, that is not what you want to do. You want to have something where you do have competition. So many people think that, oh, I don't have competition, so it's going to be much easier, but there probably will be like 5 people in your niche, so you're not able to make any money. So make sure that it's big enough, and the way to do that is to actually see if you have competition. So now you have your niche, you have your platform. What are you going to do? You're going to start creating some content. So I'm going to take YouTube, for example, because this is the best way to do it. So if you choose YouTube, you're going to like make some videos about whatever you like. For me, I like making money online. I like to talk about this. I like to talk about online business. I like to talk about affiliate marketing. You really need to be able to make sure that you know what you're talking about. I'm not saying be an expert at it, because you're going to learn every day. I'm learning every single day on building online businesses. So you don't have to be the best, and like you're going to progress like every single day, and you will become an expert if you like do that for a long time. I've been making videos for, I don't know, probably like a year, maybe more than that. So, you know, I know what I'm talking about right now. So that's something that you really need to know. Like, talk about things that you actually know. Right from the first video, you need to not like lie to people. Tell people what you know, not what you don't know. Tell them what you've learned, what you know how to do. This is what's going to take you to the next level. So the next step is you're going to build a sales funnel. So if you're unaware what a sales funnel is the first step is your platform. So YouTube for me. The next step is you have a link in the description that will take them to a landing page. Now, a landing page is where people will enter their name, enter their email. That will enable them to go to the next page. So obviously you'll have to tell people why they want to click on your link. You don't want to like spam them and say click on my link because I want you to click on my link. But you want to give them something for free, some advice, some ebook, something like that, and get them to sign up. And then once they do sign up, you will give them what they want. And the next step is you're going to sell them something so for instance, an affiliate link. If you don't have an affiliate link, if you don't have a product, that is a great way to do it. Now, making a sales funnel is going to cost you a bit of money, because that's just the way it is. Most of them are quite expensive. However, I have a link in the description. See, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. So if you click in the description, like, you will click on my #1 recommendation, and there's a way and that is the cheapest way to build a sales funnel. It's extremely cheap, and there is actually a way to get it for free 100%. So if you click on that, like, I'll explain everything in a video where you can see like why and how you can get it for free if you're ready to put in the work. So if you're ready to do that, make sure that you click that link, and that will take you to my #1 recommendation and how to actually build a sales funnel and actually make some money for it and get it for free. So that is going to be the second step, building a sales funnel. And then you're going to, since you have their email, you're going to be able to send them emails like that are going to be automatic. All of that is done with the #1 recommendation. So if you click on that, you'll be able to do every single thing that I'm talking about. So you will be able to send them videos daily. I think my funnel goes on for like 7 days or something. And you're going to tell them like why they like, because most people won't buy your product the very first time, but you will tell them again and again why they want to buy that product. For instance, having a sales funnel is like essential. If you don't have that, you don't have a business. So a sales funnel is going to be extremely important, and I'm talking about why. But you also want to add some value. Why? Like how you're going to help people, help them, like send them emails, helping them out. Once that is set up and you have everything set up, then there's not much more that you need to do. All you need to do is create content all the time. For me, I post videos every single day, and if that sounds a lot to you, like yes, it is, but you like there's a way to do it. You want to film several videos every single day, so that way you don't have to film on weekends. If some days you can't do it for some reason, then it's okay, you still have a video come out and all these things. Now if you're just starting out, it's okay not to film a video every day. Maybe you want to do it 3 times a week. I suggest not doing it less than 3 times, because otherwise people will forget about you, but this is actually the way to do it. So once all that is set up, you just have to schedule every single day some time to do your videos, or I'm talking about videos, but if you chose another platform and you're blogging or something, the same applies. So you really want to do it as much as possible, and don't quit, because it does take some time. At the beginning you won't get views, you won't, like, nobody will click on your link, you won't get any sales, but that's just YouTube testing you basically. So you just have to hustle and like put in the work, even though you're not getting results at the beginning, and just do that. If you're just trying to do it, you won't manage to do it. But if you say I'm doing it no matter what, and you focus on that for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, there's no way that you're not going to like get any clicks. There's no way, it's not possible. Like that's just the way it is. In less than 1 year, in less than 6 months, you should probably get a click. If you don't, just continue doing it, because if you see other people that have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of followers, they started off just like you. They're not better than you, they're not talking at the camera better than you, but you really have to focus. So this was my video for today, but like there's not much more to it. There's nothing more to it. All you have to do is do everything that I talked about, and that will get you to success. But the hard thing is you actually need to implement it. And I know most people watching this video will not do that. But remember, if you're one of the people that do, just like say it in the comments. Maybe some people will see that and see like, okay, someone's doing it, then I need to do it as well. So just say it, take action, because that is going to get you the result. So I've talked about everything, even the product that you want to like, even the affiliate product that you want to market is like, you can click in the description, get that. That's the one I use. Like everything is laid out for you. There's nothing more that you need to know, but that you need to hustle and actually put in the work. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.